nakakita ng ganitong klaseng, parang nook. This is under the stairs. That explains the low headroom. But you do have a nice fixed window over here that lets in lots of natural light. So you could turn this into your kids' play area. You can have some shelving here, like a nice little library, and it's gonna feel quite magical. This is in Parañaque. Check out the full house tour. We've got a brand new house not for sale here in Parañaque. Now you are inside a subdivision, so you don't really need a gate. So here you have your open carport, and this is gonna fit 3 vehicles. You have access to the side of the house, which will lead you to your service area. Then you have a garden over on the leftmost side, but here in the middle, you have your main entrance. So you have a few steps leading up. Tapos dito sa landing na to, covered na. So in case it's raining, may silong na yung bisita nyo. And ikaw mismo. And then for your main entrance, you have a solid wooden door with a digital door lock. And you also have a glass panel here on the left side so that you can see who is actually knocking, if you didn't already know. Okay, so upon entering, you have a hallway that will lead to the rest of the floor. But before we go there, let's check out the door immediately to your left. And this is bedroom number 1. So you immediately have access to the ensuite toilet and bath with a sink, toilet, and partially enclosed shower space. Now this room, granted that it is at the front of the property, it's may corner window kapano, so kitang-kita mo yung garden dun sa harap. You could use this as an office kasi katabi niya yung main entrance. But it's up to you. If you want to keep it as a bedroom, no problem, it's your house. You still do have high ceiling, just like the rest of the floor. To the left, you have your main stairs, but before we go there, let's check this one out. And this is your guest accessible powder room with a sink, lots of counter space, and a toilet at the far end. Underneath the stairs, you have a nice little area here. Some people would probably use this as storage. Some would put maybe a rock garden here, and some would probably make this into a nice little nook for their kids or even their pets. So comment down below what you would use this area for. This is, so medyo mababa siya, no? Pero ang cute kasi may bintana pa rin. Okay, and then here, the area suddenly opens up. You have your living area with double height high ceiling with a chandelier just to prove that you have a lot of vertical space. You have outlets over here to support your huge TV if you ever were to fit one in here. It would be perfect between the windows. Speaking of windows, the ones with the metal screen, you can actually open up. Those are awning windows, and then these are fixed. Tapos ito, sliding. Na may ano na rin, may screen na rin. And then this area flows onto your dining and kitchen. Now for your dining area, you can probably fit an 8-seater table here if you wanted to, right underneath your chandelier. And then you can also open this up. It's an accordion type door. Tapos may lanay sa labas. So pwede siyang indoor-outdoor situation. Medyo tiled naman lahat. The entire floor, the ground floor is tiled. So okay lang kahit medyo maging busy. Mas madali naman linisin yung flooring because it's easy to maintain. And then on this side, you have your kitchen. So you have an island counter with a bar on this side na mas mataas, and then mas mababa yung side dito sa prep area ng counter. You also have everything that you might need here. You have adjustable sockets on this bar itself, and then you have storage underneath. On the other side, you have an L-shaped counter with your built-in gas range and your sink, as well as your oven and your microwave. Tapos mamaya ako napakita yung ref. Again, lots of opaque storage as well as open shelving. You have a window over here that you can slide open in case may gusto kang pasahan sa labas ng plates. Over here, you have your refrigerator with open shelving up top. And then again, another prep area with your adjustable sockets. Na yung iba pang 220 or sorry, regular sockets. And then you have your type A ports. Then over here you have your pantry, which will lead to your laundry area. So it's up to you. This is your service area. You have a built-in counter with a sink and then provision for your appliances. Then you have a door that will lead to the side of the house, to your outdoor service area. Okay, so let's go back to the living area, and now this is your view of the main stairs. Actually, maganda siya in the sense na kahit na it's on display, your main stairs is literally just right there. It's also not the focal point of the space. So some people like the main stairs being the main focal point of a space, some others don't. So again, let us know in the comments below. Before you head up the stairs, you do have a storeroom right here. So it's actually quite spacious. So nandito na rin yung breaker, super high ceiling siya, and it is quite deep. So maganda to kung may mga shelving, etc. And again, for storage. Okay, now before we head up the second floor, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We are on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you want to see more of our listings here in Parañaque, let us know, send us a message, or go to our website, www.presello.com. Invest in your future, invest with us, invest with Presello. The steps are very easy to climb. Just based off of how I feel, it could be the max height of Señorita's steps. So those are the smaller rising steps. Again, easy on the knees, good for elderly. Pero parang it's either the lowest standard height or the highest Señorita. So ang dali niya akitin. Okay, so the first door that you will see from the main stairs is the primary bedroom door. So you have a lot of space for your primary bedroom, as per usual, right? But this one has a corner window, and again, this is at the front of the property, so you get a view of your subdivision. And you have lots of natural light coming in. It must be really bright right now. Well, for me, it is very bright. Pero si John, syempre, in-adjust niya yung exposure. And then you have a glass sliding door here with a metal screen, so you could open this up to let the fresh air in. And this one leads to a balcony at the front of the property. There you go. So you have these little details which you see from the facade, right? So these are solid metal. So they kind of act as basically a decorative element, pero at the same time, may parang feeling of privacy ka when you're here, because even if kita mo naman, kita ka rin talaga. I don't know, there's just something about barriers like this that add just a little bit of like, this is my space. And then over here we have a doorway that will lead to your clothing area, to your wardrobe area. So you still have high ceiling, have cove lighting, and you have opaque storage. So your wardrobe and everything. You also have open storage with your hanging rods, etc. Tas dito sa baba, perfect for like luggage. Kasi something that people forget, hirap i-store ng mga luggage bags kasi laki nila, diba? So this is perfect. And then at the end of this one, you have your ensuite toilet and bath. You have your his and her sinks, may outlet na rin dun, storage underneath. And then you have an enclosed shower space, as well as a toilet here in the corner. And then you have so many windows up there, so lots of privacy while still letting in lots of natural light. And then out here, you'll see na basically yung hallway na leading to the rest of the bedrooms. So right next to the primary room, you have bedroom number 2. Again, you have a lot of space. So just based off of the outlets that I see, this is where your headboard is going to go, and then your bed goes here. And then that's either an entertainment or a desk. This dito yung wardrobe area mo. Liwanag na yun. This isn't a problem. Yes, there is a window right across. That's the window. That's the neighbor's window. Pero you're just gonna put a curtain here. I din naman, so hindi kayo nagkakakitaan. And over here, you have an ensuite toilet and bath. You have your sink, your toilet, and your partially enclosed shower space. And again, super high ceiling. Ganda rin nung ceiling fan na ginamit. And then immediately, right next to this one, we have bedroom number 3. So it's a different-ish configuration. Okay, there's outlets on every wall. So dito mukhang they were a little less intentional with the outlets. Kasi yung isa halata ko saan dapat yung headboard. Ito, ikaw bahala. Although I would suggest for the headboard to be here. You could even put a queen-sized bed. It'll be madami space. You have your built-in wardrobe over here. And then again, your ensuite toilet and bath. Oh, okay, wala pang bulb. But yeah, you have your sink, your toilet, and then your partially enclosed shower space. And then, the last room at the end of this hallway, bedroom number 4. And this one is at the back of the property. So iba rin yung tama ng ilaw. And your headboard is gonna go here. So this is more about like having that peaceful view outside your window. Pwede ka pa rin naman maglagay syempre ng desk and entertainment shelf. But again, like, that's your preference. This is your room. You have your built-in wardrobe over here on this corner. And then behind that, you have access to your ensuite, toilet and bath. Now, wala uling bulb, but it does have a sink, a toilet, and your partially enclosed shower space. Okay, and then this is the view. Once you go out of this room, you immediately see your chandelier right above your living area. So basically, lahat ng lumabas sa rooms nila, makita agad nila kung may tao sa living area, and whatever they're watching, you'll be able to see it. And yeah. Tapos yung mga guests naman, pag tumingin sila sa taas or pag nandiyan sila sa baba, hindi nila kita yung mga nakatira dito agad because some people don't like that, diba? Especially if you don't really know who the guests are, like they're your siblings' guests or whatever. So yeah, before I do a recap, make sure you check out these really nice B-rolls. So numbers, you have 280 square meters of lot area and then 383 square meters of floor area split between 2 levels. 5 bedrooms, 5 toilet and baths, and a 3-vehicle carport. You have a den here on the ground floor, which as I mentioned earlier, could be a bedroom if you wanted it to be, or you can turn it into an office since it is right next to your main entrance. You don't have a gate at the front, but again, you are inside a subdivision. And then you have a lanai at the back, which is easily accessible from your dining area. So if you opened up the glass partition, basically, you have an indoor-outdoor situation, perfect for entertaining guests. And again, this is in Parañaque. So if you have been looking for a house like this, and you want to see it for yourself, send us a message or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. See more house tours, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more of our build your owns or BYOs, click here. And if you want to see more of our other content, click right here. Also, if you haven't subscribed,